in it. So yesterday we drove our van to another country. We're in Canada now. We started our journey in Sarasota, Florida, and drove as far west as we could, which is 2,500 miles, and ended up in San Diego, California. Then we drove another 1,500 miles as far north as we could, and here we are. We've only been in Canada for less than a day, but we're already seeing that it has so much to offer. As usual, I have no idea where we are, which is often a good thing because it's the best way to explore new places. So no one told us that Canada is just as hot as the rest of North America at this time on the west coast. So we've been baking in the sun all day at the campsite, falling asleep, and now we're going to go to the river to cool off. So we're all crammed in the back of the truck because fuel here is $7.30 a gallon, so we're saving the money. This is steep. I'm gonna fall.
How about me walking over there and you hitting on there?
Wow, this is cool.
What's that?
Just another way to cool off in the summer heat in Canada. Yep, go for it.
Oh, that current's strong. Bye-bye, Dad.
Oh my god.
I gotta go to them.
Don't go in, Everly.
Yeah, it'll pull you along.
The current's really strong.
Careful, jump
On the rock?
Very nice.
In reality, she should have
Because you said to get on the rock and float
You slid off the rock and
I
accidentally
got
went in.
no. I got on the rock and I floated off because I didn't want to jump in on the rock.
You still jumping in.
No, I was the first one in. Let the record show.
So that was in preparation for some proper cold plunges. What do you think?
Yes, I'll be the first in again probably.
Even that was invigorating.
It was really nice.
I can't imagine what a proper cold plunge is like. It's
Freezing.
take your breath away.
Yeah, well I think it does.
Back home again. Nice quick dip in the river. The view from our front porch today. It was a hot and somewhat lazy day today, but when you live this kind of lifestyle, it's kind of easy to do that. It doesn't matter once in a while, but tomorrow we have quite a bit planned. It's a very sparsely populated area, but it has a lot to offer. It's finally cooled down this evening, and we've got the ceiling fans on high for while we go to sleep. So we're going to go to bed, and we'll see you tomorrow. Good night.